Hello, beautiful people. I'm Emma, and welcome to Learn with Amna. This is your safe place to learn easy English, feel confident, and enjoy speaking without fear.
Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm really happy to be learning and speaking English with you today.
Together, we're going to make learning English for holidays and festivals simple, fun, and something you'll actually enjoy.
Have you ever been in a holiday or festival conversation where everyone is talking happily and you want to speak, but your mind suddenly goes blank?
That quiet moment inside your head can feel uncomfortable, and today we are going to change that feeling together.
This lesson is made for real life, real people, and real conversations that happen during holidays and festivals.
And don't skip this lesson because your introduction is the first thing people hear if it's good. People remember you. And if it's awkward, they remember that too.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say and how to say it with calm confidence.
Many learners feel nervous during holidays because people talk fast and conversations move quickly.
You may understand English, but still feel scared to speak.
This fear is normal and it happens to many learners around the world.
The good news is that holiday English is actually very easy.
People expect simple English during holidays.
They care more about kindness than perfect grammar.
Let's start with one greeting you can use for every holiday and festival.
The greeting is Happy Holidays.
Say it slowly and clearly.
Happy Holidays.
Now add one friendly sentence.
I hope you're having a great holiday.
These two sentences are safe and natural.
You can use them at work, with friends, or with strangers.
Many people talk about Christmas, so let's keep it easy.
Someone may ask you, do you celebrate Christmas?
You can answer, yes, I do, and we spend time with family.
Or you can say, not really, but I enjoy the holiday atmosphere.
Both answers are polite and friendly.
Now use a reaction sentence.
That sounds nice.
This short sentence makes people feel heard.
New Year conversations are very common.
Start with Happy New Year.
People often ask, do you have any plans?
A simple answer is nothing special, just relaxing.
Another good answer is, I will spend time with family.
Short answers sound confident. EID English with respect.
Emma. Eid conversations should feel warm and respectful.
Daniel. The main greeting is Eid Mubarak.
Emma. You can add, I hope you have a wonderful day.
Daniel. A polite reply is thank you, that's very kind.
Emma. This English shows respect and care.
Daniel. Simple words are enough.
Diwali is about light happiness and family.
You can say Happy Diwali.
Add a feeling sentence like, I love the lights and decorations.
A natural reply is thank you, it's a special time for us.
This keeps the conversation friendly.
You do not need long explanations.
Now listen carefully to this simple formula.
Greeting plus feeling plus a small question.
For example, Happy holidays, it feels so festive. How do you celebrate?
This one sentence can start many conversations.
You can change the holiday name easily.
The structure stays the same.
Let's practice a few important words.
Festival,
Celebration.
tradition.
Say the words slowly.
Clear pronunciation is more important than speed.
Many learners worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning English.
If you say the wrong word, you can correct yourself.
You can say sorry, Happy New Year.
People understand and appreciate your effort.
Confidence grows when you keep speaking.
Let's practice a short, real conversation.
Hi, happy holidays.
Hi, happy holidays. Nice to meet you.
Are you enjoying the celebration?
Yes, it's very nice and relaxed.
This is natural holiday English.
Ending a conversation is just as important.
You can say it was nice talking to you.
Add, enjoy the rest of the holiday.
This sounds friendly and polite.
Let's practice one final sentence.
Happy holidays. How do you celebrate?
Say it again with confidence.
Happy holidays. How do you celebrate?
If this lesson is helping you, please subscribe to Learn with Amna.
Every video is designed to make English simple and friendly.
English is not about being perfect.
English is about connection and communication.
Your English is enough to join conversations.
Your voice deserves to be heard.
Thank you for learning with us, and watch the next video where we teach confident English introductions.
Enjoy your holidays and see you in the next lesson.